Hi, and welcome to Smart String Teacher. I'm Grace Law, and for this series, we're going to talk about how to fix some of the most common string technique problems that you'll encounter in your classroom or in lessons. So, to me, teaching teachers how to spot and fix string technique problems is one of the probably the most important focuses of my teacher training, because it's what you spend a lot of your time doing, so you should be skilled at it. Now, it took me many years to figure out what those little secrets are to fixing string technique that I believe that everyone should know. They shouldn't be secrets at all. So that's why I'm going to share them with you. But the first tip in the series is always on mindset and approach. And what I want to share with you in this video is what are the pitfalls that teachers fall into and that I used to fall into when it comes to fixing string technique problems. And the biggest pitfall is that we try to fix string technique problems by trying to fix how they look. So you're looking at a bow hold and you're like, but this needs to go there and that needs to go there and all that, right? So here's the problem with that. The problem is that you'll discover through many years of experience is that actually the root of the problem or the ideal solution actually lies somewhere else. So thumb problems aren't thumb problems, and wrist problems aren't actually wrist problems, and pinky problems aren't pinky problems. So if you're interested in becoming more skilled at troubleshooting and fixing technique, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss this series. So that's my quick tip for today. When you are approaching problems that you see if the problem originates somewhere else. And in the next few videos, I'm going to show you my favorite examples of that. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.